how MetaMask looks like. So this is on my phone, so you can download it on your iPad, you can use it on your laptop, depends on what you want to use. First of all, you need to connect, as you have seen in the video that I have made about how you can withdraw on WeShare Abundance or how you can deposit and stuff like that. But as I said before, guys, you can go and watch those videos if you're interested. So I've decided to use it on my phone, which is the MetaMask. Now, what I did was to connect, was to download first the MetaMask to my phone, and then I went up there where you see there is a QR code thing. You click that, and then it's going to show you a camera that is going to scan, all right, the QR code. So if you have created, which I think you need to do, you can create an account with MetaMask on your laptop and then connect it to WeShare Abundance the way they have shown you. And then after that, you can just do the QR code thing. Then you scan here on your phone, and then the same account that is in your laptop, it's going to be here on this part here, right? So obviously this is just like Luno or like any other cryptocurrency sending, receiving Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. Okay, so at the bottom here you can see, if you click the arrows down and up, it's gonna show you if you want to buy cryptocurrency, if you want to sell cryptocurrency, if you want to swap tokens. This is what actually WeShare Abundance is about, exchange between tokens. If you want to do that, you can do that. That means you can go there and go to and also swipe, I think, on WeShare Abundance. So I'm just showing you the app, guys, so that at least you can see. You can also send cryptocurrency to any account. You can receive cryptocurrency from any crypto, okay? Well, I don't know if any, but you can receive cryptocurrency, okay? So the most important thing here is the swapping thing. For example, if I click swap, it's gonna show me here. You see, now the address you see at the top is my address to WeShare Abundance. Okay, bridge transfer tokens between networks. Let me maybe do that. Let's see what we are going to see. These things, guys, you need to learn them. There is no one actually who's going to be teaching you. Well, there are people who are teaching, but if you don't want to pay, to be taught, you better learn them yourself, I don't know what's going on. Okay, so you see here, total send. So I can put a total send. I could connect a wallet, okay, which is the wallet on WeShare Abundance or anything like that, and then I can do my thing. Okay, so this thing, guys, it's a bit complicated, but I think the more you are using it, the more you are learning, I think it will be okay on your side. Okay, for example, you see at the top there where it says BNB chain, WeShare Abundance, they want us to use the BNB chain, but if you click there, you can see you've got other options, but they prefer us to use BNB chain. Okay, not prefer, actually, you need to use that one. Yeah, so that's what it is, guys. So anyway, there is nothing I think I can do a lot here because I haven't withdrawn anything, so I don't know how it works in terms of withdrawing. But one day it will happen, we will know. But anyway, there are videos that talk about that on WeShare Abundance. That is why, guys, I will always refer you to WeShare Abundance, because you don't want to depend on people, you don't want to always depend on somebody making a video, whatever. So you need to learn on how to use these things. That is, if you are interested in the website, that is the key point, okay? Because remember, I said to you, I can't just make videos just for the fun of it, okay? I have to have people who are interested, and then I can make videos for that purpose. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and share.